Are you still using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for your day-to-day browsing needs? That means you are most likely also doing your regular tasks such as checking emails, shopping online, watching videos, planning events while juggling all those tabs in the old way. Let me today show you how to handle all those boring tasks in a faster, smarter, and a more fun way with Comet, the AI browser by Perplexity. Accessing Comet browser is easier than ever. First, you'll need a Perplexity account since Comet's AI features require it. Then simply download the browser. Sign up to Perplexity using the link in my description to also get 1 month of Perplexity Pro for free. Then you will be thinking, what is Comet? Comet isn't just another browser, it has a built-in AI assistant that sees the pages you are on, understands your intent, and can take action directly on any site. No extensions, no copy pasting, just natural language prompts that automate your workflow. This is a quick overview of how Comet saves you time in daily life, from organizing your inbox and simplifying shopping to smart event planning. Comet acts as a personal assistant for all your daily digital tasks. Whether it's making financial decisions, summarizing long content, or just keeping your browser tidy, each feature will help you cut down on busy work and will keep you focused on what really matters. In the next part of this video, I'll walk through real examples of these features in action so that you can see how efficient you can be with Comet. Let's start with one of the biggest pains, email. Comet turns hours of inbox work into seconds. So first of all, I'm going to manage my emails by cleaning up all the subscriptions from the last 15 days. For that, I have put in a prompt that find and clean up all the promotional subscription emails I've received in the last 15 days. Now, Comet scans my inbox and pulls up emails that match mostly newsletters and marketing emails. I look through the results and select any I want to unsubscribe, like this one from this bill. I confirm the selection and run that I want to unsubscribe it. Now Comet will go ahead and unsubscribe this just by my command. Now just like a human being, it takes access of the browser and does the necessary unchecking in order to unsubscribe. At the end, it gives a confirmation that the unsubscription for the service is done. Next, I want to quickly catch up on my unread emails and act on the most important ones. So I enter a prompt, summarize my unread emails, and give me a list of top 3 that I need reply to. The comment assistant then reviews my inbox and displays the top 3 messages that need my immediate attention. Now, one particular email catches my attention, so I ask my Perplexity assistant to give me a summary about this email so that I can take necessary action. Based on the context, I ask Perplexity Assistant to draft me an email. It asks me to review it, and then voila, the email has been sent. This way, Comet helps me stay on top of my important emails with almost no effort. Now I'm switching gears to shopping. I ask Comet to become my personal shopping assistant and help me find my whey protein products that I have ordered in 2025. I make it clear in my prompt though. Wait for my instructions and do not place any orders yet because it could very well do that as well. Now Comet navigates to my Amazon order history, locates the whey proteins which I have, which were only 2 for this year, and gives me the names, packet sizes, and order dates. With this information on the screen, I can review and compare the brands easily. To check, I just go to this direct link and check that yes, indeed, this was ordered in the past. Now I feel like eating something, so I decide to have a pizza. I quickly ask Comet to go to Liferando and repeat my last Domino's order for me. But I make sure to add in my prompt that just add it to the cart but do not order it. The goal is not to select every topping or crust again manually. I just want Comet Assistant to use the details from my last order and recreate the same pizza experience. Now Comet navigates to Liferando, finds my most recent Domino's order, and automatically selects the same pizza size, crust, sauce, and toppings. In fact, it even eventually notices that there is a 1 plus 1 free deal, so it definitely adds the other pizza to the cart as well to match my previous order. At this rate, I am starting to wonder if Comet is reading my mind or just my stomach. Either way, when it comes to shopping, I think I have officially found my new sidekick. Now, after food, I want to stay updated on the latest AI and tech events happening in Berlin. So I simply type a prompt to find me all AI and tech related events listed on Luma in Berlin during the remainder of 2025. Comet searches the platform and shows me a list of upcoming events filtered for location and the event details. I look through the results and pick one event that interests me, and then I ask Comet to register me for this event. It completes the registration for me, filling in all the necessary details. Once registered, I ask Comet to add the event to my calendar, confirms the date, creates a calendar entry with the event information, and I am all set. Now that I have handled my schedule and events, it's time to focus on making smarter financial decisions. As an example, let's compare mobile phone contracts to find the best deal. I go to Check24 and ask my assistant to find me the top 3 cheapest mobile phone contracts with at least 10 gigabytes of data. Comet Assistant takes controls and applies all the necessary filters, reviews the available contracts, and compare their prices and included features. It then presents me with a list of 3 cheapest mobile contracts, each with monthly price, contract duration, and any other extra terms. Now I tell my assistant to fetch and summarize the important terms for me. As we know, a smart financial decision is all about being efficient, well informed, and never missing the fine print, especially when it comes to everyday expenses such as a mobile phone contract. However, the trickiest part is always the fine print, the terms and conditions buried deep in lengthy documents. Comment Assistant pulls up the document, translates it, breaks down all the critical points in easy to read bullet points. This way, I have all the key info at a glance, ensuring me to choose the best contract with confidence. Next up, to make financial decisions, sometimes it also means paying attention to the bigger picture. With Euro showing a lot of dominant moves in the past few months, I gave my comment assistant a detailed prompt to use all the technical analysis and techniques based on AI Brooks' price action methodology and analyze the Euro USD chart by helping me to predict the next moves. The Comet Assistant then delivers a comprehensive explanation covering the key levels, price action patterns, trend strength, and microstructure. It also gives a justified outlook for the next moves. In fact, it even summarizes everything into clear, actionable levels and key insights I can actually use to make financial decisions. Now we transition to talk about intelligent content summaries. To illustrate, I'm focusing on football news, and since I'm a Manchester United fan, I want to filter out everything except transfer updates related to my club. I take this video and write a simple prompt, and Comet Assistant processes the video and gives me all the United related news, no distractions from other teams. Continuing with videos, I have an example that's even more complex, a podcast that runs almost 3 hours long. Instead of trying to listen to the entire podcast, I ask Comet Assistant to give the key takeaways from this podcast. Very quickly, I receive a tidy list of all major points and topics that were discussed. Now, here's where it gets really useful. Each key takeaway is not just a headline, I can actually interact with it. For instance, I see one topic that really interests me. I ask Comet for further explanation about this specific takeaway. The assistant drills deeper, referencing why this topic came up and outlining the full context based on the podcast discussion. So now I can dive into any part of the podcast without listening to the whole thing, just by following up on the key takeaways that matter to me the most. And it's worth saying, there was a time when we all used to do this on Notebook LMs. But now with Comet Assistant, everything happens right there, right now, with no extra steps needed. Look at my screen. After all these demos, now there are way too many tabs open. It's a situation we have all run into. By the end of a busy day, the browser is packed with tabs and it's nearly impossible to find the ones that actually matter. This is where session and tab intelligence really shines in Comet. Watch as I write a simple prompt to organize my tabs by category and close all the others that were not used in the last 2 minutes. Comet instantly sorts my tabs into neat groups, then sweeps away everything I haven't touched recently. The next step, I noticed that I have few YouTube videos still open amongst my tabs. So I asked the assistant, list all the open YouTube videos. Comet immediately shows me a list of every YouTube video tab that is currently open. From here, I can choose what to do with each one of them. I tell it to close one of the video, and for the other, maybe I do not have the time, so provide me just the summary. And then Comet Assistant immediately goes and does that work for me. Well, a bit of reality check. Comet isn't perfect. Sometimes it glitches. I remember one occasion when it went into an infinite loop of opening the same tab multiple times. It also struggled at carrying out basic activities on complex Word documents or spreadsheets. For those, I would still recommend to continue using Copilot or Gemini assistants. So expect a few rough edges here and there, but with how fast AI is advancing, I'm confident that these issues will be ironed out much quicker than we might expect. Let's take a quick look at the common pricing plans. There's a free plan, which costs absolutely nothing and is great for trying out the basics. Then there's an enterprise plan that's designed for large companies with a high price tag and features most of us just don't need. But the real star is the Pro plan, which I have been using throughout this video. Pro comes bundled with Perplexity Pro and gives you the full access to all its features and automations. It covers everything a serious user could need, and then some more. And that's Comet, your browser, upgraded to handle all your everyday online tasks. If you'd like to try it out for free and skip the waitlist, I've dropped my referral link in the description below so you can jump the line. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button for more real world AI reviews and practical automation hacks. And remember, automate the boring stuff so you can focus on what really matters. See you next time.